for more. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a slides presentation in Canva. First, log into your Canva and hit Create a Design, and then select Presentation. Browse through Canva's vast template library, which offers up to 610k options with Canva Pro. Use industry keywords or color schemes to find the perfect backdrop for your slides. Apply your chosen design to a single slide for the entire presentation. Use layouts to add different types of slides not included in your template set. Utilize the text menu to insert various text boxes like headings, subheadings, and body text. Modify existing text by double-clicking on the text box. Customize font, size, alignment, and color. You can also add personal images or graphics via the Upload section. Insert pre-saved logos to maintain brand consistency across slides. Also, enhance your slides with shapes, icons, charts, and more from the Elements section. Adjust the template's color palette and font styles to match your brand or theme. And that's it, guys. When you finish, click Share to save or export your slides. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.